and I'm with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. And today I'd like to do a review on the Bak Flip MX4. Now what's nice about this cover, it works for regular beds and it works for the Ram box. Now we have recently done a Ram box video, which people just love it. But the question I get all the time, does the MX4 work with the new multi-function tailgate, which this Ram does have? And as you can see, the question is, well, yes, it works really well with it. As you can see with this will work with the regular tailgate. This will work with the multi-function tailgate. Now, not all covers work with this tailgate, which is real important when you're ordering a cover. You want to make sure it works. If you had this, you need to check it first, make sure it does work. Now, what's nice about this cover, as you can see, there's many different ways you can use it. Look at how tight that is right there. Now, you can also do it like a regular one. So you can open it multiple different ways, depending on how you're using your truck. I mean, if you have a bunch of things in there and you want to use the tailgate as a table, that's great. Of course, you can use a multi-function tailgate. Now, what's nice about this cover, you do have a passenger side and a driver's side opening mechanism. So if you're standing on the passenger side, you can open the cover. Now, another nice thing about this cover is the new one, which means it holds 400 pounds. That means you can tailgate on this. If you want to stand on this here or sit on this here, a football game, you want to sit back here, you can, which is very nice. Now, another nice thing, let's say you have to wash your roof. You can stand on this. Now, when I say 400 pounds, I do say evenly distributed, so you don't want Uncle Louie, who's 400 pounds, standing in the middle of this. That's not what I have in mind. But, you know, use your common sense. Again, you can stand on it, clean the roof, which is very nice. We'll go ahead and pull this again. Now, another nice feature about this, you can have it partially open. So if you're driving down the road and you have some items in there and you want to have it halfway open, it locks in place. As you can see from this little strap over here, this prevents it from the wind catching it and slamming it closed while you're driving. Now, if you look over here, we also have some nice protectors. So when you go to open this, it goes all here. It's got rubber backing here to protect the rear window. And of course, what's nice about this cover is you can put something big in here. This folds all the way up. As you can see, it's extremely easy to lock in there. This works a couple different things. First of all, if you have that motorcycle, you have a big couch, refrigerator, whatever it is, you got something large, you can put it in there. You do not lose any space. Also, this works as a headache rack. That's right. If you have something large, someone cuts you off and it slides forward, instead of hitting the back of your very expensive window, it's this. And this will take a nice impact. So this will protect your truck. So it works in many, many different ways. When it's not used, it slides this goes up here. As you can see, this goes into a little groove, goes out of the way. Now, this is being the Ram box. If you look inside here, your cargo management system is still in place. You can still use your tie downs. And, of course, what everybody likes to ask, if I get a cover with my Ram box, can I still use my Ram box features? Well, that's a good question. And let's go ahead and answer that right now for you. Let's see. Oh, yes, of course you do. Plenty. As you can see, opens up very nicely. No problems here. Also, take a good look at this wonderful seal here. None of the covers are waterproof, but this company does a terrific job at sealing up very nicely. So as you can see, everything closes up very tight. And also, if you notice, it's got a nice little texture finish. Kind of gives that little Linex. He has actually a Linex bed in here, so that does match up very well. And the finish does match up the truck very nicely. One thing a lot of people like about this cover is look how flush this cover is, how it sits in here. It's very clean looking. So besides being very useful, it's a great looking cover. And Bak Flip just increased its warranty from 3 years to 5-year manufacturer warranty. That's right. This cover now has a 5-year warranty, one of the longest in the industry. So it's got a great warranty. They back up the product really well. And of course, if I do it at C&H Auto Accessories, we're going to give you a full 1-year warranty on the installation. That includes all your labor for a full year on this cover. So take it off road, shake it up a little bit, it's not opening correctly, come back, adjustments are free. Everything for the first year labor is covered. Terrific product. And of course, I do like the new Rams. I do drive a Ram myself, and I love this truck. This customer bought this truck, and I'm a little jealous. It's so beautiful. Again, thank you very much, and I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. Thank you. So,
Hey, you're doing good, man.
yeah.